Looking for an AI tool that turns your photos into amazing videos? Let me tell you about Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield is an AI video maker that creates short clips from images or text. Think of it like having a movie camera in your pocket. You upload a photo, pick a camera style, and boom, you've got a cinematic video. The best part? The camera controls. You get crash zooms, crane shots, smooth movements, all those fancy effects you see in films. It works right on your phone through the Diffuse app, which is perfect for quick social media content. Higgsfield also has cool features like face swap and lip sync. You can make talking avatars or swap faces in videos. Plus, it includes visual effects like explosions and transitions. Everything runs through one simple dashboard. Now, let's talk about pricing. There's a free plan with daily credits to test things out. Paid plans start at about $6 a month for basic use, going up to $30 for unlimited access. You pay with credits, and each video uses some based on length and quality. But here's what you need to know. Videos are limited to 5 to 10 seconds max. That's fine for Instagram or TikTok, but you'll need to stitch clips together for anything longer. The quality is good at 720p, though some features offer 1080p. Some users report slow generation times and credit systems that feel confusing. Character faces can drift or change between clips, and the unlimited plans still have some limits, which do frustrate people. So, is it worth it? If you create social videos and want quick, professional-looking clips with cool camera moves, absolutely. It's great for marketers, influencers, and content creators who need fast results. But if you need longer videos or perfect consistency, you might hit some walls. Higgsfield shines at what it does, making your photos move like they're in a movie. Just know the limits before you dive in. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.